Have you ever thought about how much dust is sitting in your sewing room? Well, I have got something for you to make. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and sew with other quilters without even leaving your home. There's going to be a link in the description for you to check out. My room is a disaster right now. I've got new shelves that are nothing's unpacked in here, even though I've been in my room for over a couple years. I had to empty my closet because I got new shelves, and so I haven't put anything back yet. But with all this dust and upheaval, this has come in really handy. So this is the sewing machine cover, and double bonus, you can use your salvages. Oh my gosh, do you have a baggie of salvages? This, my friends, is my bag of salvages. It is loaded, and just like any scrap project, because these are considered my scraps as well, I didn't hardly use any of them. It was very disappointing, however, rewarding in its own sense because I've got a new sewing machine cover. I even used, look at this, I even used that cute ribbon that comes with your pre-cuts with the measurements on it. Yes, I did. I put some fat quarters or some just scrappy fabric on the inside. There is some binding here that you're going to do to cover up your seams. I put a hole for my handle in here so you can move your machine if you want to with this still covering, but it's not needed. You can leave that out if you want. All the instructions are included. I've got a pocket on the side so you can stick things in here, but seriously, this sits on my machine a lot. It protects it from all the dust that is happening when you are cutting, when you are pressing, and just when you are in your sewing room moving things around. There is a way for you to get this pattern. It's going to be inside Patchworkers Plus where you can sew along with us, or you can choose just the pattern only in a make and take monthly. So now is the time to join so you can grab it. I'm going to walk you through all the instructions. There's going to be a video tutorial showing you how to use the quilt as you go technique. So once all your panels and sides and ends, everything is done, you really just have to assemble it and bind the inside. That is it. There are additional instructions for you to figure out what size you need to make it for your specific sewing machine. But this would be a great project even to make this for like your serger or even your embroidery machine. If you got any questions about it, drop it in the comments. Let me know, what have you made with your salvages recently, lately, ever before? And do you have a stash of salvages like me? Because I've got a whole bunch more. I gotta figure out what to do with all of this. I love quick and simple projects. I love a quick win. I love to feel good about having something finished. And this month is no exception. We've got a great project just for you.